Hey guys, let's see how to enable monetization on the YouTube Shorts on a cell phone. You just need to come here to the App Store and look for the YouTube Studio, download it, install it. I already have it here, so I just click open. And here you just need to find the channel that you want to enable the monetization. Okay, you can click here on switch account and select your account. And then you just need to come down here to earn. And here you see short feeds ads, right? So you can just enable from here. So just click on it. And here you can turn it on. Right now, I'm assuming that you already have the YouTube Partner Program approved. And you can enable for the regular videos. And also here you can enable for the short videos. So super simple. Just come here, turn it on, accept the terms. And you're good to go. Okay, just click here, accept. And it's enabled for your shorts. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.